a great celebration for Elias, bringing all of our employees together here to celebrate 40 years. First time that I've been here that we've actually opened up our celebrations to the public as well.
Yeah, the whole vibe of this place is really exciting. It was really cool to see super long lineups of all of our employees and their families coming in this afternoon, and we have a lot of variety of things. There was definitely a lot of thought and planning that went into this event. I think there was a good job of kind of covering all age groups and a lot of different interests. So we have a lot of bouncy castles, inflatables for younger children as well as for teenagers. Some pretty cool ones like mechanical bull and obstacle courses and things like that. Really good variety of food trucks, some really good music happening as well. And I think the employees are also really excited about all the prizes as well that is happening, and I think it's something for everyone to enjoy.
I think it's just awesome that we can have a celebration where we can celebrate the business and the community of our employees, and we can all get together and have a great time.
It's really nice to see everyone outside of, just outside of the building rather than inside. Everyone's excited, enjoying the food, enjoying the fun. It's been a real treat to see everyone acting like a giant family.
So we enjoyed the food, of course. We enjoyed seeing friends and families to come over here to celebrate with us.
Having a great day here celebrating Elias's 40th anniversary. Man, joyful times with the kids, bouncing on the bouncy castles. I've even ridden the bull, couldn't believe it. Just bringing the community together, seeing everyone here from Winkler, Morden, as well as community. It's been great, been a great time here. Congrats to Elias on 40 years.
It's so great to get all our employees together to celebrate and have their families join us, and suppliers, and a lot of our vendors are here to help celebrate with us, and we're glad that the public is able to come and join us as well.
I'm so pleased that we've been able to be successful enough to throw a party like this to celebrate our 40 years. Thank you all for coming out.
It was amazing to bring everyone in our company family together for this incredible celebration.